Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, y'all. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. This unit is from Nadula Hair and this is their upgraded V-line wig, you guys. It might be one of my most favorite V-line wigs I have ever worn. So they have a more thinner and more seamless V-line that naturally is going to blend with your scalp. They've upgraded the combs for more comfort and they have scalp relief combs as well and 2 front clips. They've also included a drawstring in the back to make it more customizable for every head shape. This unit is for everyone, but especially for my fine hair girls or my girls that are not wanting to put a lot of heat in their hair right now, or growing their hairline back. Let me show you guys exactly what I did. So starting off, I'm only worried about the middle of my hair, so I'm doing an anchor braid. Anchor braids are great for my fine hair girlies. Do not put a V part in, anything like that, without having an anchor braid, something for the clips to hold on to. So that's what I did, one on each side, and then I have my leave out in the middle, and then you're just gonna pop the unit on as I'm doing right here. Y'all, this is very simple. It should take you no longer to pop this unit on. That's what I'm talking about. It should take you like 30 seconds. It really doesn't take long at all. Just make sure everything is comfortable and adjust as needed. There should be no tugging, no pulling, no tension on your head, okay? And then after you got it exactly how you want to, go in, adjust the drawstring in the back, and then just tuck it under, and then you're good to go. Next, let's get into styling these curls and getting these coils to pop. So in order to get everything to blend all seamlessly, I'm gonna take some of that curly hair along with my hair, like the wig hair and my hair, just a little bit, and separate that. I'll show you guys how I get that to blend and all that great stuff, products I use, in just a second. And then let's go ahead and get into how to get these coils to form, which is super easy. So first off, I'm taking a little bit of water, y'all. This hair is already soft, so it's not gonna take much to get these coils and curls to pop. So I'm just detangling it just a bit, and then I'm using the Cream of Nature avocado line. I think that's what this is called. So I use the curl cream first. I love using cream based products when it comes to curly hair. I just think it holds a lot better. And then on top of that, I'm going to use some of the curling mousse with it. And all you want to do is just take the section and just twirl it quickly around your fingers. You can just do the ends of the hair, or you can take the section all the way up like I'm doing. Hold it for a second and then let it go, and a longer coil will actually form. If you want smaller coils, you're gonna do smaller pieces. Bigger coils mean bigger pieces, like I'm doing right here. So for this particular day, I had a little bit more time, so I ended up doing my coils a little bit smaller. But towards the end of this video, I'm gonna show you what it would look like if you didn't have much time, you're pressed for time, and you ended up doing bigger sections for bigger coils. As you can see, I kind of cut a little bit. I actually wanted to go a lot shorter, kind of make it more like bangs, like curly bangs. But I was like, for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna go too short. But all I did was just take the same products, y'all, and I ended up just doing like 4 2-strand twists, mixing my hair with the wig hair, obviously, and just blending that all together. So doing a 2-strand twist all the way down, and then just finger coiling the ends. And then I'm going to obviously lay my edges. If you want to, you don't have to, but obviously that's what I'm gonna do. And then just tie everything down. Because I really only wear my hair, especially when it comes to V parts, in a middle part, it's a lot thinner there. You know what I mean? It's just natural, that's just how it goes. And with them upgrading this V part to make it a lot thinner, it really makes a difference, especially on my fine hair. And it just ended up blending seamlessly, like the coils, the curls, like my hair with this, it just all worked out really well. I'm laying my edges here, but I'm not making sure they're perfect or anything. It's warm out today, like a little bit. It was like 78 or so, but I was out and about, and the hair got a little bit frizzy, not too much, not too bad. But it's like the more I was wearing it, the more everything just ended up looking like my natural hair, you guys. It just ended up looking so very good. The coil stayed intact, the curl stayed intact, and I was just very impressed, and it was really comfortable to wear, so let's not forget that. To speed up the drying time, this is about maybe like 75% dry, y'all, but to speed it up, to reduce the frizz, I went on ahead and diffused my hair as well. So that's all I'm doing here, just diffusing it, maybe like 5 to 7 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna take the nozzle off, and then just make sure I hit the roots, make sure everything is just nice and dry, and then I'm just gonna cut a few like little coils, just kind of shape the hair up, do some face framing pieces, fluff the hair a little bit, and I am good to go at this point, you guys. Make sure y'all check the description box. I'll have this exact unit and everything, like the products that I use, the Cream of Nature avocado line. I'll put that down there as well for y'all so that you'll have it. It is a must. This whole look is a must for me. I was so happy with it and I love the way it came out. So make sure you check the description box. And so here's the first look, guys, when the style is complete. And y'all, just in case you need a good pop on and go, you can always add a little headband to it and love this look even more. You know, go for your tennis lessons, go for your errands. We are still looking good, okay? So second look here, and then third look, I just want to pull the hair back just to show you have a few styling options depending on the day, the occasion. So yeah, just doing a little switch up here for y'all. And just in case, you guys, if you can't get your hair to blend or it's just not working out for you because it's just one of them kind of days, not everything falls in line and we don't have time, okay? You got somewhere to go, somewhere to be. Pull out your pencil curling wand. I just wanted to see how it would look, how the curls will come out, and it is the exact same thing. So if you need some good blending, you don't have the time to just do the no heat, that's not what you're going for. Get you your pencil curling wand, curl your leave out with the extensions, and you will be good as well. And then I also wanted to show you guys, because we're covered all bases today, how this unit would look if you really ain't got no time. Okay, y'all, this day I was picking up Isaiah, had grocery store to run to, a few other errands. I did not do a leave out or anything. I just popped a headband on, but all I'm doing is just, you know, detangling the hair a little bit. I added the foam, the same foam I have been using, and I'm doing the same kind of coils, but instead I'm doing bigger sections, y'all. No small sections today. Wanted to see how it would look in real life. So all I did was really just take bigger sections on the ends and then just coil them all the way up, doing a little pinch to hold it and then letting loose, and you will be good to go. So 3 different ways on how to get the perfect coil, with heat, without heat, and just doing the ends. Y'all, this is beginner friendly. It's quick, it's easy, and it's fast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, you guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you on my next video. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.